Hey everyone, welcome back. Australia Day, and here we are with a heat wave in South Australia. At the moment we've got 45 degrees today, so I've got up to try and beat the sun this morning, up at 5 a.m. to get started so we can get a little bit more work done on the Ute. So just a very quick update on where we're up to. So been spending a bit of time just preparing the bumper and some B pillars ready for paint. Get it, mate. If you didn't catch it in the last episode, just updating the front bumper bar to include the SS fog light bezels. So finished putting those in on both sides. First time of doing that, and basically involves just cutting out part of the original bumper bar to fit these inserts in, and then on the back I've used some plastic welding and a little bit of panel adhesive to hold them in. And because I didn't quite get the cuts 100% right, just to make sure it finishes off nicely, I've just used some dolphin glaze all around the edges of them there, and the rest of it, the bumper's just sanded down in 240 grit, wet and dry. Probably overkill, took off all the old paint when I probably didn't need to, but anyway, that's done. And the B pillars here. So these things on the Utes are super fragile as they age, so I was really careful when sanding these down, but again, taking them back to plastic, just the original plastic. Had a couple of holes in them where the old tarp used to line up, so just filled those holes in, and on one of them I did snap a little bit of the plastic off, unfortunately, which is this one here, and I've just got some panel adhesive or panel bond behind that at the moment to try and just get that to stick back together. And same deal, exact same hole on this side. So this morning I'll lay on some adhesive promoter, and which is this one here, don't know how you pronounce that, sprayerlac, something like that. 1K plastic primer, let that settle for a little bit, and then we just got a universal primer filler, same brand. We'll get that down. So the magic of YouTube, let's see how we go. And there we have it, all done. So I think we're about finished painting this morning at about 8:30 a.m. and we're about 11 o'clock now, and I've just chucked a guide coat on them quickly as well, ready for blocking back. But I think we're probably about getting close to 40 degrees now, so a bit too hot to be working outside in, but we'll just quickly show you where I got to. So the B pillars, B pillar cover I should say, so they'll block back fine and they'll be good to go when we paint them up. Just have to mask off and redo around that spot in black. And then the bumper, had a bit of trouble with my spray gun, so I've just given it a really good clean because I've got a little bit of paint splattering here and there, but it'll sand out fine and block back all nice and smooth. Got a couple of little extra scratches which I don't know whether I'll fix because they're right down the bottom and things like that, which the SS lip will cover, but reasonably happy with the outcome. And just quickly just slotted in the grills here just for the sake of having a quick look at them as well. You can see I've got a bit of dust and that in areas that they should sand out fine as well. But curious for you guys that are across all your VRVSs, what did the SS actually come out with? Was it a grill like that but with a red edge around it? I think that grill might have come out of a Calais, but be really keen to know for you guys that are a bit more across the Commodore stuff. Anyway, we'll tune out. Hopefully another video out in the next week or so with all of these painted. That's the plan anyway. So take it easy. If you're in SA, stay out of the sun, stay cool. See you soon.